In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur webcam background in OBS Studio for Beginners 2026. First, you'll need the background removal, also known as virtual green screen, plugin. Head to the official OBS resources and download the latest version that matches your operating system. This plugin uses AI-based segmentation to separate you from your background so you can add a clean blur without needing a physical green screen. Always choose the newest stable release for the best compatibility and results. Before you install it, make sure OBS is completely closed. That includes checking your system tray to confirm it isn't running in the background. Closing OBS prevents file lock errors and ensures the plugin files land in the right place. During installation, follow the prompts, and if it asks for your OBS directory, point it to your active OBS installation. Once it finishes, you're ready to launch OBS again. Open OBS and create a scene if you don't already have one. In the Sources panel, click the plus icon and select Video Capture Device. Choose your webcam from the device list, then confirm. If you see options for resolution or FPS, pick your camera's native resolution for the sharpest subject and a smoother blur effect. Position and scale your webcam in the canvas so it fits your layout. Next, right-click your webcam source and choose Filters. This is where we'll add the plugin effect. In the Filters window under Effect Filters, click the plus icon and select Background Removal. You can rename it if you like for organization. Give the plugin a second to initialize. On a first run, some systems may prepare model files, so a brief delay is normal. Inside the background removal settings, locate the blur background option. This tells the plugin to keep you in focus while softening everything behind you, mimicking a cinematic depth of field look. Now adjust the blur strength slider. Move it gradually until you find a natural balance, enough to hide clutter and reduce distractions, but not so strong that it looks artificial. Light to medium blur generally looks professional for meetings and streams, while a heavier blur can be useful if your background is very busy. Keep an eye on edges like hair and glasses. If you notice choppy outlines, improve your room lighting and create a bit of contrast between you and the background to help the segmentation. If your system feels sluggish, try a slightly lower blur strength or a modest camera resolution to reduce processing load. That's it. With the plugin active and the blur tuned to taste, your webcam will look clean, focused, and ready for professional streaming or calls.